Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, central Prince George's County in central Maryland, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, Arlington County in northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, Fairfax County in northern Virginia, east central Prince William County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Tyson's Corner to near Montclair, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Wind gusts to over 50 miles per hour were reported in Manassas. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Arlington, Alexandria, Gale City, Bethesda, Reston, Annandale, Clinton, Springfield, College Park, Fort Washington, Greenbelt, Fairfax, Langley Park, Beltsville, Fort Hutt, Vienna, Groveton, Forestville, Falls Church, and Huntington. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for District of Columbia, Central and Southern Maryland, and Northern Virginia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.